Hi guys, this is Aika and I want to share with you my night skincare routine. So first, I'll be using the Derma Republic Clarifying Gentle Facial Wash. So guys, hindi to sponsored, but I just wanted to share with you na I've been using this facial wash for more than a year now, and ito rin yung ginagamit ng fiancé ko, and it really works miracles or wonders for us. But ayun, since it's that time of the month, so ang atin yung girl ay binibreak out ng malala. So I typically wash my face for 30 to 60 seconds kasi yun yung recommended duration when you're washing your face. And then after that, I actually use a facial mask brush to help with my tiny bumps kasi madalas ako magkaroon ng tiny bumps sa face ko, and nabudo lang ako nito guys sa TikTok. But for me, I think nag-work naman siya kasi na-lessen niya yung mga tiny bumps ko sa forehead and then sa baba. If y'all wanna try this, I'll link it there sa yellow basket. Then afterwards, I dry my face with a facial tissue. Just pat it dry. And then next step is I use the Derma Republic Alpha Arbutin toner nila. And of course, spread it all throughout my face. Especially guys, don't forget your neck. And then after applying the toner, I make sure to dry my face first before applying my eye cream. And then for my eye cream, I use the Originote Eye Serum Treatment Cream. I use this twice a day. The moment I wake up, mag-skincare ako, and then before I go to sleep. And of course guys, yung next step is to use moisturizer. So yung gamit ko na moisturizer guys is from the Originote, and I am using the brightening moisturizer before going to bed. And then I use the Yellow Serum moisturizer pag kagising ko. So, for the last step guys, gumagamit lang ako netong Vaseline lip mask. And yun lang for my skincare routine before I go to bed. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next video.